Là où j'aimerais attirer votre attention, c'est que je suis designer et que je n'existe pas. Le designer n'existe pas pour la simple et bonne raison que le designer n'est pas son produit, le designer n'est pas son projet, le designer n'est pas son client ni son commanditaire, le designer n'est pas non plus son interface. Le designer n'est pas tout simplement la personne pour qui il conçoit ses objets, ses interfaces, ses sites, ses affiches, etc. Le designer n'existe pas pour toutes ces simples et bonnes raisons.
Design's a really loaded word. I don't know what it means. And so we don't really talk about design a lot around here. We actually just talk about how things work. Most people think it's how they look, but it's not really how they look, it's how they work.
Steve not only is a champion of design, but creates an environment for designers that's conducive to producing terrific work.
Everyone says, you know, I want to make a great product, or I want to make a great movie, or whatever they're doing. So there's no difference there, but there's a big difference in the outcomes. Sometimes you just have to look at yourself and go, you know, it's just not really great. It's okay. It's good, but let's not fool ourselves and call it great. You know, we're willing to throw something away because it's not great and try again when all of the pressures of commerce and are at your back saying, no, you can't do that.
Idea. Let the store come to the people. We created virtual stores, hoping to blend into people's everyday lives. Our first try was subway stations. Although virtual, the displays were exactly the same as actual stores, from the display to the merchandise. Only one thing was different. You use smartphones to shop. Scan the QR code with your phone and the product automatically lands in your online cart. When the online purchase is done, it will be delivered to your door right after you get home.
실제로 보면서 사니까 진짜 더 좋은 것 같아요. 편하기도 하고.
After this campaign, online sales increased tremendously. Through this campaign, 10,287 consumers visited the online HomePlus mall using smartphones. The number of new registered members rose by 76%, and online sales increased 130%.
Les meilleures idées ne sont pas toujours là où on les attend. C'est pourquoi nous multiplions les brainstorming. Les créatifs, les techniciens, les clients et les consommateurs eux-mêmes participent activement à notre processus créatif. Grâce à notre culture du digital, nous utilisons la technologie pour étendre les choix des consommateurs et les opportunités des marques. Cette méthodologie centrée sur l'être humain, nous l'appelons Design Thinking for Digital. Avec un solide point de vue, une vraie ouverture aux idées nouvelles et la volonté de rendre la vie meilleure.
Of the top 12 reasons that projects fail, 3 of the top 12 are directly related to what we would call user experience or user-centered design work. And those 3 are badly defined requirements, poor communication among customers, developers, and users, and stakeholder politics. So the kind of work that user experience professionals do, stakeholder interviews, user research, user testing, user-centered design, these are all things that can fix at least 3 of those 12 reasons why software fails. You actually can calculate the savings or additional revenue or benefit that you get from improving the user experience of a product. There are many measurements that would be meaningful, for example, conversion rate. That's the number or the percent increase of visitors to a website who either buy or donate, or it doesn't have to do with money. It might be they take the action you want them to take, like register at the website. Or you might be interested in the decrease in the number or percent of drop-off or abandonment, the decrease in the number of calls to the help desk. Or maybe by making a user experience improvement, you can reduce the amount of training that's required, for instance, if it's an internal software application. Maybe you want to increase the usage of a software application. Maybe you're looking to save user time, or maybe you want to save development time. Perhaps errors are what you are trying to reduce. Whatever measure you choose, calculating the return on investment is a way to show the value of doing user experience work.